YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to add a vignette to a clip in CapCut on your Android phone. These video series will go over some basics in CapCut, and this one will take a look at a basic effect with vignetting. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to add a vignette to a particular video, thankfully, it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into CapCut and jump into a timeline and select the clip that you want to add the vignette to. When you have the clip selected, you want to pay attention to the control settings at the bottom where you have Edit, Audio, Text, and Effects. And you want to hit Effects there. From there, what you want to do is hit Video Effects, and then from there, you want to look for Classic, and then in Classic, you'll be able to find a quick effect for Vignette, and then when you hit Vignette, you'll see that a vignette will be added onto a video there. And there you have it, everyone, just a quick clip on how to add a vignette to your video on CapCut for Android. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.